In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the TradingView long and short position tools to enhance your trading strategies. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in the market, understanding how to accurately position your trades is crucial for achieving your financial goals. To begin, let's navigate to the left-hand toolbar on your TradingView chart. Here, you'll want to locate the projection and measurement icon. This is your gateway to accessing the long and short position tools. Once you've found it, you're ready to pick your position based on your market outlook. If you anticipate a price increase and wish to buy, select the long position tool. Conversely, if you're expecting the price to fall and looking to sell, choose the short position tool. Now that you've selected your tool, it's time to set the stage. Click on your chosen entry point on the chart. This is essentially where you believe the market movement will begin. Upon clicking, you'll notice a box appearing, which indicates your entry price. This visual aid helps you keep track of where your trade kicks off in the market. Next, let's define your risk and reward parameters. You'll be focusing on two key zones, one red for your stop loss level and one green for your take profit level. It's important to drag these zones to suit your trading preferences and strategy. The red zone represents how much you're willing to risk before exiting the trade to minimize losses, while the green zone marks your target profit area. Balancing these zones effectively can significantly impact your trade outcomes. One of the fantastic features of this tool is its ability to automatically calculate and display your risk to reward ratio. This vital piece of information provides insight into the potential payoff compared to the risk you're taking. It's an invaluable metric that can aid in making more informed trading decisions. To further enhance your trade setup, you have the opportunity to customize the tool settings. Simply double-click on the tool you've placed on the chart, or alternatively, right-click it and select Settings. Here you can adjust various parameters, such as your account size, the percentage of risk you're comfortable with, and specific values like entry price and profit levels. Tailoring these elements to match your individual trading plan can help optimize your strategy and align it with your financial objectives. By following these steps, you should now have a solid grasp on how to use the TradingView long and short position tools effectively. This powerful combination of visualization and customization can be an asset in mastering your trades and achieving your market goals. With practice and careful consideration of risk management, you're well on your way to enhancing your trading efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.